welcome back to our channel. We are live today on Independence of the Seas. Today we do have an aft balcony, so at the back we've got our keys and we want to show you the room. So here we go. All right, so welcome in. You can see in our room today we have the Pullman, which is the bed that's going to pull out of the ceiling. This is going to be where our daughter is sleeping, and it is going to come over the main bed, so you'll have to watch your head when you're laying down, but this is where the third person is going to sleep. Now this room does come with a couch, so you do have the extra sitting space as well. And then as you look over on the other side of the room, so there's a lot of space in this room. You're going to have your vanity. We have our Crown and Anchor water, so thank you, Crown and Anchor. And then inside, you've got all of the drawers. We have our cooler that's going to be here. Remember, I say it's a cooler, not a refrigerator, because it can keep things cool, but it is not a refrigerator. And then also inside of your mirrors, you're going to have storage on both sides. So kind of like hiding storage, but a good place to keep little knickknacks and purchases that you buy along the way. Now, when we walked in, you didn't get to see a whole lot of it. It's right here. When you come in, on the left is your closet, and we have life jackets, tons of space, your storage, drawers, and then they also hide your ladder here. So a lot of your kids are gonna probably not want to climb up on there, so they have the ladder also hidden in the closet for you guys. Now let's move into the bathroom and see what we have. All right, so looking in at the bathroom, Independence does have the tube shower, so the curtain is gone. You've got your normal toilet, you've got your vanity that's gonna have a little bit of storage in it, but this one is going to be your typical cruise bathroom. Not big, but it's gonna have all the necessities that you will need. Now, the main reason we booked this is because of the balcony placement, so let's go check it out. You still get the curtains. Now, the cool thing about this balcony, you're not gonna have the doors that you're used to with the big, like, sliding doors. You're gonna have an actual door like a normal room. You get to lock it right here, so if you have kids, you can lock it and unlock it. But let's come out and check out this balcony, which is really cool. So in this balcony, so say hello to our family. You have 2 chairs, 2 tables, and then if you come all the way around, there is actually space for a lounger. So we have a lounger, 2 chairs, plenty of space. So right now we have 5 people on the balcony, tons of space, beautiful views. We're ready to have breakfast out here, maybe even lunches. So look at this view. We are out of Miami today. So it is gorgeous and an absolutely gorgeous start to our day. So this is our balcony room, 8710 on Independence of the Seas. So let us know, what type of balcony is your favorite and what ships you like to sail on.